Alright, so we got an unboxing. Some weird Crocs. Monster Inc. collab. And I bought some socks to go with it. So these socks. I got everything on sale too, so. Check these out.
I'm say Pixar.
Disney. Oh shit. Disney Pixar. Crocs. Feels good too.
You done bought some Crocs socks. It's crazy.
I mean, I had to, cause
They ain't got Monster Inc. Crocs. 20% off. Yup.
it's my first time actually buying something off the Crocs website. I didn't answer no raffle for these, or I didn't buy these off of any other site.
Ooh, those are cute. Those are
Oh, these
cute.
slides. I thought these like
Actual Crocs.
something you put your feet in, like those.
He thought he was these. My granddaddy slides.
I ain't want the green Crocs. Mike was Cozzzy. I wanted these ones. For sure, for sure.
You got me some Sully.
Let's see how you take these off. The inside. You still recording?
Mm-hmm. Got Sully's little whatchamacallit on there.
I thought we were supposed to have some little gibbets too, but let me check the bag.
Gibbets? Where you gonna put the gibbets at?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think you got no gibbets.
Let me do it on feet real quick.
Dumb toes?
Yep.
Sheesh. Dang. You must be keeping these. You just pulled the socks right off.
I was keeping it.
Boys, they just buy things.
Make sure y'all hit the like button and the subscribe button.
That thing about to be comfortable.
Low key is though.
Comfy?
Yeah, they comfy.
Rated from like 10.
I say 8.
8.
Good 8.
They look kind of decent. Slight decent.
Oh, feel these.
Damn. That thing hard. I thought it was gonna be squishy.
You not bad. You wanna try them on?
Mm-mm.